Void means empty or having nothing inside. It can also mean a big empty space. And in legal/official use, void means not valid or not allowed anymore. Void equals empty/blank/no longer valid. Void adjective, empty. Example, a void room, an empty room. Void noun, an empty space. Example, a void in space, a big empty area. Void adjective, legal, not valid. Example, this ticket is void, not valid now. The box is void of anything inside. After he left, the house felt void and silent. There was a void between the two buildings. The agreement became void after the deadline. If the form is filled wrong, it may become void. If something has nothing inside, it is void. And if a rule, ticket, or contract is void, it means it has no power and is not valid anymore. Synonyms: empty, blank, hollow for empty, invalid, canceled for legal meaning. Opposites: full, filled for empty. Valid for legal meaning.